Welcome to Eden's Bounty, where we explore the Back to Eden gardening method. This approach, pioneered by gardener Paul Gauci, offers a sustainable and highly productive way to grow food, inspired by the way nature cultivates the earth. The Back to Eden method centers around two key principles: no-till gardening and the application of a thick layer of wood chip mulch. No-till. Unlike conventional gardening, this method avoids tilling or disturbing the soil. This preserves the soil's natural structure, beneficial microorganisms, and fungal networks, which are essential for healthy plant growth. Thick mulch. A substantial layer of wood chips, typically 4 to 12 inches deep, is applied over the soil. This mulch acts as a protective barrier, mimicking the forest floor. This combination offers numerous benefits. Weed suppression. The thick mulch effectively suppresses weed growth, significantly reducing the need for weeding. Moisture retention. The wood chips retain moisture, reducing evaporation and the need for frequent watering. Soil health. As the wood chips decompose, they enrich the soil with organic matter, improving its structure, fertility, and biological activity. Temperature regulation. The mulch helps to insulate the soil, keeping it cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Reduced erosion. The no-till approach and mulch cover prevent soil erosion from wind and water. Here's how to get started with the Back to Eden method. Prepare the area. Clear the area of any existing vegetation. For weedy areas, you can use a layer of cardboard or newspaper to smother the weeds. Add compost, optional. A layer of compost can provide an initial boost of nutrients to the soil. Apply wood chips. Cover the area with a thick layer of wood chips. Ensure the wood chips are untreated and free of harmful chemicals. Planting. When planting, simply move aside the wood chips and plant directly into the soil. Replenish mulch. Replenish the wood chip layer as needed to maintain its thickness. One of the remarkable aspects of the Back to Eden method is its ability to significantly reduce the need for watering. The thick layer of wood chips acts like a sponge, retaining moisture and preventing it from evaporating. Initial watering. After planting, water the plants thoroughly to help them establish their roots. Established gardens. In established Back to Eden gardens, watering is often only necessary during prolonged dry periods. The soil remains consistently moist thanks to the mulch layer. The type of wood chips you use can also impact your garden's success. Variety is key. A mix of wood chips from different tree species is ideal, as it provides a wider range of nutrients and supports a diverse soil ecosystem. Untreated wood chips. Always use untreated wood chips free from any chemicals or preservatives that could harm your plants or the soil. Arborist chips. Wood chips from local arborists are often a great source, as they typically contain a mix of wood, bark, and leaves. The Back to Eden method is not just about reducing work, it's about creating a sustainable and thriving ecosystem. Over time, this method leads to improved soil health. The soil becomes richer, more fertile, and teeming with beneficial life. Increased yields. Plants thrive in the healthy soil, resulting in abundant harvests. Reduced maintenance. With less weeding, watering, and tilling, gardening becomes less labor-intensive. Carbon sequestration. The wood chips help to sequester carbon in the soil, contributing to a healthier environment. The Back to Eden gardening method offers a simple yet powerful way to create a thriving and sustainable garden. By mimicking nature's own techniques, you can enjoy abundant harvests, healthy soil, and a deeper connection to the earth. Embrace the wisdom of the Back to Eden method and transform your garden into a flourishing paradise. Thank you for exploring the Back to Eden gardening method with us. If you're inspired to try this approach in your own garden, please subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Your support helps us spread these sustainable gardening practices. Happy gardening, and may your garden flourish.